Today we're having our Keller Williams office open house. We're having a fun barbecue, invited clients and affiliates, other companies we've worked with. And we also have a dunk tank. Aubrey will be in the dunk tank today. We're raising funds for one of the members of our office that needs a little help.
My biggest concern today, I woke up, my head came off the pillow and I was like, oh no, that water's gonna be really cold.
Come on down and make me get wet, going in the dunk tank. It's gonna be a great time, raising some money, having fun.
Full suit and everything?
Full suit and everything.
Yeah, buddy.
Going in.
Sweet.
Dunking.
Yeah. Who's going first?
Some money. Eric. Eric is definitely going first.
Alright, so my name's Eric Schweitzer. I am CEO/team leader here at Keller Williams in Helena. And basically what we got going on is we moved into this nice new office last November. So we wanted to plan kind of a agent/client appreciation event. So kind of just having an open house barbecue and letting people in, see our office, check it out. And we kind of coordinated it with Live at 5 across the street, just to kind of try to help draw some people in. And also what we kind of came up with last week on the fly, so one of our associates has run into some unexpected medical conditions. What she has is, most people would kind of be devastating news if for any one of the things. She kind of got a triple whammy all at once, and so the way that our company works, we're all about culture, helping people, and coming together as a family. So what we're doing is we're trying to help raise money to help her out. She has just a slew of unexpected medical bills, has lost some work, so has lost wages and everything. So why I'm wearing this ridiculous suit is we ordered up a dunk tank, and myself and a few other associates have volunteered our bodies to basically be victims in the dunk tank. So kind of what we're doing is we're using this as a fun way to raise money. So pay per toss or whatever. I'm getting in the dunk tank in this ridiculous red Keller Williams suit, just to kind of help out our family members. Executive decision.
How you feeling about this?
He said it was cold, I can tell it.
Just to walk over there and hit that.
$100.
There you go.
I was wearing already, Eric. A lot colder than you said it was. Oh my goodness.
Focus, Jake.
Don't think about that one.
Still got 3 more. Still got 3 more, Mom.
Yeah, David just said he'd pay $1,000 to not get dunked.
Really?
It's tempting, but I really want to dunk it. It's tough.
Is it as cold as it
I
looks?
think you should pay $1,000 and get dunked.
That's it. I thought that was the deal. He pays $1,000 and gets dunked. I thought that was the idea, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
$1,000 and he gets dunked.
Yep.
For sure.
Did you hit it?
Thanks to everybody who came out to support us today and see the new office and enjoy the beautiful day, and also help us raise some money for someone really important to us. Thanks.